have a comment from a viewer named Taylor Kimberly who writes, quote, I don't understand why these girls stay in abusive relationships. Do you have any insight into that?
That's such a complicated situation. As your last guest was just discussing, I've represented many women in this situation, and it is complicated and horrible, and sometimes they get out, sometimes they go back in. You know, that's the psyche and childhood and all of those kinds of things. But it certainly should not make his sentence any lighter because of what the women were doing.
Yeah, fair enough, absolutely. We have another comment from Leroy Hutchinson who asks, how does a defense lawyer truthfully feel having to defend people like Geoffrey Paschel, as it is their job? How do you respond to that?
Everybody's entitled to a defense. I actually don't defend sexual assault, assaulters or those accused of it. That's part of my ethos in my career, but people do it, and everybody, that is the way the system works. People are falsely accused. Everybody is entitled to a defense.
Yeah, I mean, it is how the legal system works, that everyone has the right to legal representation, no matter how horrific they are or how horrific their crimes. Our next comment comes from E. Jane, who says, quote, they were surprised at the comments against the victims. Are you surprised at that?
I'm not surprised. I think that it was bad strategy in saying it that way and putting her on such a defense. I think that it was just kind of bad form. But no, I'm not surprised. You see lawyers doing this every day. And while it should be surprising, it's not.
Yeah. We have another comment from a viewer named Kathy McMillan, and she wrote, I hope people are learning from this testimony. I certainly hope so too. What do you think are some of the key takeaways, having represented many victims yourself?
I think it's complicated, and you want to shake them and you want to know. But the other part of it is what she was saying is she now constantly lives in fear the rest of her life. That is real. That fear doesn't seem to go away even when the victims have had the possibility and opportunity to move on, get remarried. There's always kind of this fearful piece that doesn't ever seem to leave. So that really spoke to me.
And I hope that watching this testimony has given maybe other people out there the strength to stand up to this kind of abuse. Thank you so much, Rachel Fiset, for joining us here on Court TV. I'm Joy Lim Nacron in for Michael Ayala tonight.